Good morning, Mihira. Just a quick handover for Mrs. Eleanor Vance in bed 4. She presented yesterday with what initially seemed like a straightforward case of contact dermatitis on her hands, quite inflamed with some weeping. However, overnight, she developed a rather extensive pruritic rash spreading across her trunk and upper limbs. She mentioned using a new brand of hand sanitizer just prior to the initial flare-up, but also recalled a similar, though less severe, episode a few months ago after using a different moisturizer. She denies any new food intake or recent travel. Her temperature is stable, and her vitals are within normal limits. We've applied some emollient and a mild topical corticosteroid cream to the affected areas for now. Keep a close eye on the extent and severity of the rash, and particularly note any signs of systemic involvement, like breathlessness or facial swelling, although that seems unlikely at this stage.
Right, Mrs. Vance in bed 4. So, the initial hand issue might be separate from this more widespread rash then? It sounds like we need to be alert to potential allergic reactions rather than just a localized irritant.
Precisely. The temporal relationship with the hand sanitizer is suggestive, but the subsequent widespread eruption and the previous similar incident point toward a possible underlying sensitivity to a common excipient in skincare products. Mihira, for now, continue with the current topical treatment and ensure she's comfortable. Let me know immediately if there are any significant changes or if the itching becomes unmanageable despite the emollient. I understand why you're asking to move MIHIRAA, and it's completely natural to want to be closer to the toilet for convenience. However, for your safety and to ensure we are monitoring your recovery correctly, we need to keep the bed in this position for now. The main reason is that getting up and walking to the toilet is not possible just yet, as it could strain your surgical sites. Instead, we will provide you with a urine bottle or a commode right here by your bedside, so you don't have to make a difficult trip. There is another very important reason we need to keep you here. We must carefully measure the volume of your urine each time you pass it. This might seem like a small detail, but it gives us crucial information about how your body is healing. By measuring it, we can check if your new medication is working effectively, and it also helps us see if the swelling in your body, known as edema, is reducing as we expect. MIHIRAA, these measurements are a direct window into how well your kidneys are functioning and how your body is responding to treatment after your surgery. So, by staying here and using the bottle, you are actively helping us track your progress and make the best decisions for your care.